Exercise start. Being released because no charges could be framed against them. In many other cases, those accused of financial irregularities were allowed to get away with part of the loot on grounds of what has come to be known as plea bargains. Under this legal innovation, a suspect confesses to his crime and gets his freedom after surrendering part of the oil gotten money. What has been missing all along is impartiality in pushing the accountability process through without political consideration. One also notices with regret there that the members of the armed forces remain largely outside the accountability because the military insists it has its own system of dealing with corruption. If accountability is to have any meaning, it must be continuing and unsparing process as it is in many developed countries. In Pakistan, leaders and their cronies are made to pay for their crimes only after they cease to hold power, since accountability is pursued by the regime that replaces the old one and they too selectively, the entire process becomes vitiated. There is no example in our country where the misdeeds of a rural are made known to the public while he is in power and he is held legally answerable. To be meaningful, accountability must be continuing process. It cannot clean politics of corruption if it is sought to be enforced by fits and starts. The dispute between Swed Bus Pakistan, a foreign funded urban transport company. Full stop.